Well, it seems that because a couple of sclerosis, MS, symptoms are substantially reduced with complete body cryotherapy, WBCT. That is because WBCT disrupts the infection procedure, so the ache is decreased temporarily because the body resets itself. Once briefly reset, MS appears in regression. A few endorse a 2-week remedy, 2 times an afternoon, 3-hour periods, each 6 months to attempt to save you the onset of a recurrence of hard-hitting debilitating problems from MS. On account that entire body cryotherapy disrupts the irritation manner, it consequently makes experience for a short-term reliever of signs and symptoms, resetting the body. In fact, one study's examine confirmed a result in high-quality antioxidant outcomes of WBCT as a brief-term assist in remedy for sufferers suffering from MS. Cutting-edge remedy nonetheless would not understand all it wishes to decide what reasons MS or how to remedy it. However, it seems that entire frame cryotherapy would possibly serve as a pleasant stophole for individuals who be afflicted by MS, possibly temporarily limiting its impact on their lifestyle because of symptom flare USA or relapses in condition. It's extraordinary to recognize the cost of WBCT for the ones bothered with MS. Another exciting hyperlink is how cryotherapy induces an endorphin rush, as endorphins are a chemical that is right for our crucial nervous system and brain, which are also locations that MS causes our bodies to assault. There is extra to this story, and we are hoping studies reveals out how it's far all related. In the meantime, if you have MS, you might desire to peer how complete frame cryotherapy can help you in coping with the signs and symptoms, relapses and ache associated with it. There may be one studies paper in this I'd like to point you to. Results of the whole body cryotherapy on a complete antioxidative fame and sports of a few antioxidative enzymes in blood of sufferers with a couple of sclerosis initial. Take a look at, by E. Miller, M. Morovichka, OK. Malinovska, OK. Zolinsky and J. Kedziora. C. Magazine of Clinical Investment 2010 February. 57, 1-2, 168-73. When we survey diverse entire body cryotherapy establishments, we study that the MS network is expanding its interest, and we are seeing extra folks who are with MS displaying up for ordinary whole frame cryotherapy classes. Reputedly the word is out, and parents are locating relief with cryo remedy. This is superb information due to the debilitating conditions that MS causes at some stage in flare United States of America or in past due tears. Even though this one have a look at isn't always sufficient to guarantee remedy, we see plenty of hobby right here, and there must be a motive for it, as cryotherapy isn't always free, and it's bloodless, and if it did not work, why might you want to concern yourself to it? Think on this. Multiple sclerosis, also referred to as MS in quick, is a apprehensive disorder which influences the relevant nervous gadget, i.e. mind and spinal wire. This reasons imbalance among frame organs and the brain, which results in downfall of imaginative and prescient, hearing competencies and muscle electricity. It's because of loss of a substance in nerves called myelin that's step by step destroyed due to MS sickness. This myelin serves as a protect cover for the nerves which transmit brain alerts. Without this myelin, it's very hard for mind and spinal cord to coordinate with each other, and this result in the failure of functioning of many organs in the body. There are normally 4 tiers in more than one sclerosis, from initial stage to final degree, called as modern MS. In most of the cases, more than one sclerosis isn't a deadly ailment. But there are some exceptions in rare conditions where they be afflicted by other parallel illnesses to MS. Right remedy and care can assist MS-affected sufferers to guide a regular lifestyles for longer time. Reasons of more than one sclerosis ailment. There are not any unique reasons for multiple sclerosis to take care from. But maximum research and researches say that it's an autoimmune ailment, which means that the human immune machine erroneously attacks the myelin tissue in significant frightened gadget. But nevertheless, there are still no clear reviews why immune gadget acts unusual handiest in MS sufferers. There are excessive probabilities of inheriting MS from the parental genes too. Signs and symptoms of multiple sclerosis disease. Symptoms of MS differ from one person to other. Maximum of the times, they rely on the place of mind and spinal twine which were given affected. Muscle weak point, blurred vision and ache again are the most not unusual signs of the MS. In later levels of MS, sudden downfall of vision, taking walks troubles and electric shock form of sensation in decreased back are usually located. Because of the shortage of coordination between brain and spinal wire, affected person faces balancing issues like spinning feeling or wooziness so frequently. Manage on urination, gripping of gadgets and downfall of memory also are caused because of a couple of sclerosis. Ms. additionally leads a patient to intense despair and lots of different mental disorders. To be had treatments. Once recognized and confirmed, it's very critical as a patient to recognize the all to be had remedies for multiple sclerosis. Ms. cannot be cured completely. A patient has to modify his way of life for that reason to steer an exceptional life by minimizing all signs. Drug treatments can be used to lessen the results of muscle pains, weakness, fatigue, depression and other genital-related troubles. There are drug treatments to be had for more than one sclerosis which controls the pulse strokes, for this reason delaying disorder depth. But those drug treatments have very robust aspect outcomes, and in some instances it is going very tough for affected person to tolerate them. But according to experts, it's usually pleasant to continue remedy for Ms. retaining long-time interests and thoughts. There are a few treatment plans to be had to assuage the rigors that are resulting from Ms. Those include bodily remedy, occupational and speech remedies. Aside from these computer-era articles, a Ms. patient need to mildew his lifestyle well with precise nutritious diet plan and ordinary sports to hold the intensity of ailment to minimum for long term. On your health. Let me inform you that stem cell therapy can be used to treat this diseases. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.